So here we are, ladies and gentlemen, at the fifth video for Math 130 Statistics here at Kellogg Community College. This is going to take a look at some hypothesis tests for the review of the Unit 3 test. And here we have a test where we're going to look to see about the federal government employees. This data here was brought to us by the book that I use here, and it says here's the average salary of the federal government employee. Now what we did is we looked at 30 randomly selected employees who did similar work, and this was their salary. It's less than the actual average with a standard deviation of $1,000. Well, it seems to be within parameter here. You know, $1,000 above and below this is also inside of this area. But we're going to actually ask with a alpha of 1%, or a 99% confidence that we are not going to make a type 1 error. What can it be concluded that the state employees earn less than federal employees? All right, so what we have here is we have the null hypothesis, and we have really the null hypothesis is going to say, you know, no, the average is the same. It's $49,593. But the alternative hypothesis is going to be, no, these state employees, they earn less than $49,593. So the critical value is, since we're dealing with exactly 30 people, we're going to deal with the z-chart. So our alpha is 0.01, and this is a left tail test. Sorry about the F there. Now, with the alpha of 0.01, we do not need to divide this in half. That would only be for two tails. So what we're going to do is we're going to look up the z-score that's closest to the 1%, or 0.0100. If we look on the left side of our z-chart, we're going to go to the number that's closest to this, and that would be at a z-score of negative 2.33. This is the closest we can get to 0.0100 on that chart. And what we'll do now is run the test based on a z-score test with these 30 people. And let me kind of move this down here. And also I would like to just bring back some of the information here just so we have it all on the same page. Our critical value from part B was negative 2.33, and now what we'll do is we'll run our test, and a normal z-score test is when we take our x minus our mu, I wrote mu, minus our mu, which is 49,593, and divide it by the standard deviation divided by the square root of the sample size. In this case is 30. Now if we type all that in, we get an answer of negative 4.34. So lo and behold, we have a answer that's inside of the critical region. Because our critical value is negative 2.33, our critical region is less than that. So there is our negative 4.34. Negative 4.34 was inside that critical region. So we are going to reject the null hypothesis. It seems that these state employees are earning a significantly less amount of money than the federal employees, and we're going to reject it because since negative 4.34 was less than negative 2.33, we also could have said that negative 2.33 was greater than negative 4.34, we will reject the null hypothesis. All right, thank you for watching.